Veronika Rodriguez, convicted of 2 counts of illegal wiretapping and making false claims to law enforcement officials. Fox 43's Sydney Nauman was at a news conference today where the Lebanon County District Attorney revealed evidence presented in the trial that led to the conviction and the discovery of a much more disturbing pattern of behavior.
Lebanon County prosecutors say they uncovered a web of lies, secret recordings, and manipulated evidence in convicting Veronika Rodriguez.
The jury found the defendant lied about being a victim of sexual assault, and she illegally and secretly recorded a date and then a consensual sexual encounter with the victim.
That victim is Air Force Dr. Fahad Pervez, whom Rodriguez had met at a dental clinic where she worked. Pervez gave Rodriguez his contact information, and they went on what prosecutors say was clearly a consensual date. Lebanon County District Attorney Pier Hess Graf says some evidence came in the form of texts to friends, telling a different story from her rape allegations to law enforcement, instead describing consensual sex and even planning a second date.
Not I was raped, not I was threatened, not that I was in fear for my life. We were effing in the back of his truck at midnight. Her friend then asked, was the sex good?
Rodriguez was also seen on gas station camera footage during the date when she had claimed she feared for her life, passing by 2 store clerks with her phone in hand and going to the bathroom, after which Hess Graf says she returned to Pervez's vehicle. Another video, an hour-long recording of the date, which Rodriguez cut into clips and presented to police as evidence of assault.
She has a pattern of this. As soon as those men would dump her or end things or refuse to speak to her anymore, she would send that evidence to their significant others. That's the level of stalker we're talking about.
Prosecutors say Rodriguez's motive was avoiding military discipline. Rodriguez's relationship with Pervez, who was a higher rank, put both their careers in jeopardy, violating the rules of fraternization.
Engaging in any social activity together outside of the military duties, outside of your performance, is fraternization. That can be punishable by discipline. That can be punishable by being removed from your status in the military.
According to Hess Graf, when Rodriguez's supervisor questioned her about their date, Rodriguez initially didn't claim assault.
Now we're going to cry rape, because it is the only way she can explain this sexual encounter and not get in trouble.
Rodriguez was convicted of 2 counts of illegal wiretapping and making false claims to law enforcement officials. A sentencing hearing is scheduled for August 20th, 2025. Sydney Nauman, Fox 43 News.